Hey guys, first YouTube video. Hopefully I do pretty good. Tell me in the comments if I did good, if you even see this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to use HDMI, AV composite cable to make your own little adapter thing. It's really simple, I promise. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, tape, optional, AV composite cable, the one that comes with your Xbox, and HDMI and Turtle Beaches. This is what the video is for, so you can use your Turtle Beaches with the HDMI cable without having an adapter. So let's get started. Okay guys, so what you're going to do, you're going to use this screwdriver, and as you can see here, I've already done it to mine. But you use the screwdriver. I had to use it kind of like a knife. Some people can just pry it off, but just gonna stick it right in that seam right there, and then try to either pry it off or move it like this. And then here I'm gonna. Sorry, I had to put the camera down real quick. There we go. Okay, so get your case off, which is just right there. Just looks like that. Take it off. You're left with this. Here, let me unplug my Xbox. Turn it around. So what you have is this. You plug it in here, right? Usually it's all big and bulky, covers up the HDMI cable, but you see here, the HDMI cable completely free. So you just take your HDMI, take HDMI and just plug it in, just right there. I don't know if you can see that, but it fits just fine. There's no problems with it fitting. And basically the adapter is just a skinny version of what you get that comes with this. So the HDMI can fit, but once you get this casing off, once you get this off, it fits just fine. And you can plug your HDMI in. You can take these little cables here, you grab these, and you just plug them right in. And when you go to your HDTV, when you go to your HDMI setting on your TV, you'll have these plugged in, and they will still be playing sound, and then you'll have your HDMI cable. It's very simple, works. I've used it before, I promise, even though I don't have an HDTV in here with me right now. It does work, I promise. And yeah, that's about it. Super easy. Like, comment, subscribe, tell me if I did good or not. It's my first YouTube video ever, so yeah, see you guys.